wonderful Savior, I love you. I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here. Too high, they will not comply. No valley too low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water life-giving, and it is all because the Holy Spirit lives within. See, I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here.
Iftar prep is always chaos, with a rush to get ready for Maghrib. But these moments make Ramadan special.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The battle's already won, won. So I'll keep on going strong, yeah, strong. See, I have already overcome, come. Oh yeah, this is my victory song, yeah. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising, 'cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on, yeah. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. do for me, Papa? Your love is so sweet, Papa. I cannot tell it all. It's not all I can recall. Papa, you qualified me and made me your own. Now I am sanctified, cause you are the one inside. Whatever may come my way, I will keep on praising, cause I know that you are right here. I will keep prevailing. Whatever may come my way, it will never faze me. You keep me going on and on. On and on. Oh, I praise you from morning until dawn. On and on. I will keep on singing. This is my victory song. One step, two step, three step. This is my victory song. One step, ooh, two step. Keep on marching on, yeah. And let's go one time, yeah. Oh,
What's up, gang? What's up, chat? Good morning. What's up? What's up? How you guys doing?
First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my mom to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So pray for me. Pray for
What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Morning, Des. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right. Let me do the tap down here. Let's start with the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, as you can see here on price, um, we have a move up here, right? So heavy rejections here. Holy, right? 4,450 area. So we reject here after you tap the support here. And right now, as you can see, the previous candle, the previous weekly candle, the two candles are just, printing side by side. All right. So we got support here. I'd say we have a resistance probably here, and we stuck in a range, and then we open up, no top wick, no bottom wick. We have a gap fill again, and I believe, in price on this kind of momentum and this kind of price action, there is a high chance that we can probably retest this high again, 5,600. So we can probably retest once again and continue to move up on gold. So right now, um, what we're gonna do is we need to wait for at least a bottom wick, probably bottom wick here. Minimum bottom wick topping liquidity here, 4,800, 4,900 area before driving up, right? So we need to see like this before probably or close above the range still, and probably on the next week we're gonna continue to pop up. So yeah, dropping down to the daily time frame. Daily, as you can see, we're just printing side by side in the past days, and we got support here. We have resistance. As you can see, there's no closure above yet, right? There's no closure above, no closure above, and right now, um, how many pip we move? Just for the day, we move 600, almost 650 pip move. No bottom wick, no top wick, gap. We have some gap here on price. So yeah, let's see here. 4 hour time frame. Oh, pretty clean. The 4 hour, oh, close above the range. So right now on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we have support, resistance, and we got a closure above. We have a closure. So right now, let's see if we're gonna have a pullback here. Minimum retracement here on 5,100 before moving up, or at least lower this price and then move up. Let's see what will happen today. Let's see if we can have a gap fill here on price. We can rebroke the lows and move up, or rebroke the lows, move down, right? So yeah, let's see what will happen here. um this is gonna be my support level, or this I can move in. Support level right here. Resistance probably, yeah, this is gonna be the overall range, 390 pip range. Eesh. Yeah. We still have range here. All right, let's see. But right now it's good. I'm basing on 15. Let's see on the 30 if we can grab potential. So yeah, we got we need to be aware on the in this kind of price actions. It's a choppy range, but right now I'd say 15 kind of nice, but we have resistance here on the left hand side. Let's see if we can probably move up on the next. Let's see gang, let's see everybody. Ay. What's up, Riz? How you doing? How you doing? Shout out to 8 viewers right now. How's everybody's doing? Hey, we re-broke the high again. Can we move up? Can we move up here? If the 30 minutes time frame stays like this, yeah, so it's gonna be an interesting here. You have a rejection, you close above, so probably buy stop on the rebroke, and candle should move up. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Do we have news tonight? No news. No news. No news. No news. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. 9 minutes for candle to close. 7 minutes for candle to close. Didn't push through. Holy, 15 minutes time frame didn't push through. Let's see if we're gonna close bullish. Um, opportunity, a good opportunity here. Oh, we move up. What's up, Flex Anthony? How you doing? Good day, good day. Damn, we're moving up now. We are moving. Oh, it's just 19 pips on the rebroke of the high. It's okay. It's okay. 6 minutes for candle to close. We got range, 200 pip range. We got range. Chat, we got range. Shout out to 12 viewers right now. How you feeling, chat? How you feeling? How you doing? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 2 minutes for candle to close. Let's see. It's gonna be a good stops here. 40, how many pip stops here? 40, 60 pip stops. That's gonna be the London session too. London session. I mean London Open. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, Doji. Doji kind of closure. No buenos here. What's up, Eric? How you doing? How you doing? Damn, 30 close. Doji here. Doji. What's good? How you doing, bro? How you doing? What's the deal? What's the deal today? Our deal is to follow the rules, follow the plan. Execute only A plus setup. Right now, we don't have any A plus setup here. This kind of closure is, man, it's nothing here. Nothing. And the 15 minutes candle closed doji bearish too. So we need bullish closure here above probably minimum. Cut 1,000 pips? No, man. No, I didn't take anything today. No benos for me. No benos. I'm not catching 1,000 pips too, Catching the 30 pips, 40. I'm happy with that. Oh, rebroke the lows on the 15. So we might have a big failure on the left. Price actions is really tough. We have a clean range. So probably this 15 minutes candle want to decide to have a range, wick. Fill the range on the left hand side. So yeah. Yeah, little 10 to 15, 20 pips. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Keep in mind, gang, we have a clean traffic here towards to the downside, 400 pip range. So yeah, we are bearish bullish on the lower time frame, but 15, the 30, it's kind of looks like we want to push up. But as you can see, if we're gonna drop down to the 15, we have a range that we need to be aware of. We have a support level right here, and we just rebroke the previous candle low. So yeah, if you guys are in the position of selling, good. But for me, I'm not gonna touch anything yet on price here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the candle to close probably below. It's gonna be a good idea. Because in the early time for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours of bearish momentum, and the 4 hour looks interesting. Broke the previous candle low on the 4. So right now, this 15 is wanna try to move at least here. We feel the gap before decides where the price is gonna head it, because the daily has no lower wick, no top wick too, and should fill the gap and move accordingly, where, right? So that's the problem. Where's the price gonna head? We don't know. We don't know, gang. We just here to adapt. Let's see. We just here to wait and to wait for the right setup to come and take the opportunity to trade. All right. So yeah. No buenos, no pressure, right? You don't need to pressure. Any questions? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Mhm. How's my trip? The trip is good. It was cold, It was cold. It's cold. It's cold, but it's a nice trip. First time seeing snow. First time to play the snow. Ole. Healing the, yeah, true that. Uh, but it was cold, man. Cold. I couldn't, I couldn't feel my hands. I couldn't feel my feet too. It's really cold. I believe was -7, -4, and the cable car was, man. It's really dangerous. There's no safety. Your safety is your hand. Because the cable just gonna pass by, and then you see it. You pull the what do you call this, the barrier, and then you just feel the hands there. But the experience, man, experience wise, good. You're gonna go to top of the mountain. You feel the snow. You play with the snow. It's really cold. All right, we flip bullish. Holy, okay, nice. Damn, Goldie rebroke the high here. We need to wait for this candle to close. I don't wanna risk anything here on the table. It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty. So right now we rebroke. See, would you look at that? Rebroke the lows, rebroke the high. Man, we cannot take an impulse trade here on the at the top. It's really risky for me. So we need to wait for this candle to close. We need to wait. See, look at that. Projections. Rejection to the upside, rejection to the downside. Man, we need to wait for this candle bullish. We need to close bullish. And buy stop probably on the next 15 minutes candle. Right? Right? 7 minutes for candle to close. 7 minutes. Come to the Mara. What's that? Mara is from Africa, right? Oh, Mara. They call what's the Mara? What's the name? Mara Island or what? Nasay Mara? Safari, yeah. Mara Safari. Yeah. But yeah, this one. Oh, nice. You know, you're gonna see the giraffe. They call this. Yeah, I seen this on TikTok. Man, holy, this what this animal? This might dangerous, you know. A good experience probably. Leopard, yeah, yeah. I checked the price here. It was a little bit expensive, huh? A little bit expensive, but nice trip probably. Nice experience. Yeah, probably one day. Probably one day. You're living there nearby, Eric? I probably gonna, gonna meet you there. It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. I know. If you're living there, I probably gonna meet you there. One day. One day. Nairobi. Oh, see, look at this 15 minutes time frame is playing here. If you're taking sell, buy here, man. The price is playing. Price is playing. It's playing. Ugly candles through that. So we need a closure here. We need a bullish closure if we want to take buy here. Yeah, we need this. And buy stop on the rebroke of the high. That's gonna be if this candle closed doji, man, there's no business here. We're probably gonna range, and we're gonna see directions on the NY session. February is about to finish. March, yeah, March gonna be at least an interesting month. At least we wanna see some move. We wanna see some move going up, going down, clean traffic, probably like that. Price action wise, good. February, man, February is a little bit tough in terms of price action, but let's see on March. March, it's a good because March it's going to start March, April, May. It's gonna be interesting price action. We got some moves on the BTC. Would you look at that? Holy. BTC melt. But I believe the melt is until here only, 60 minimum. And we wanna see, we will see some move up here, right? I don't wanna see this 48, 45. If that happen, bro, there's something wrong on this BTC. They might see that they might selling all the BTC if they this continue dropping. But at least this price is good for buying here to move up. Because this is, a good asset too. Like NAS 100, US 30, right? BTC is a good asset too. Ooh, 15 is closing below. No, it's closing doji. Damn, price action today. Who got some buys here today? Who got some buys? Who got some sells? Who took some trades today? Let me know in the chat. Shout out to 16 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How you feeling? Make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. If you are new to the channel, gang, make sure you drop a like. Drop a like, subs to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Drop a like, drop a like. 50 more subs for 1K subs. Let's go. No trade is also a trade. Yeah, true that. True that. What up? London's choppy. Yeah, London's choppy. It's choppy, choppy. 20 seconds here. I don't like the closure too. See, man, lit. We might see a volume on one candle like this, pushing up without us. Without us here. Oh, nice. 50 minutes candle close. Oh, it's a good closure too. Let's see if we're gonna make a bottom wick here. And we might have a buy stop probably. I need to wait for a bottom wick. 5156 level price just drove down. Yeah. Goldie, we need to see a bottom wick. All right, bottom wick. Bottom wick gold. No bottom wick. No buys. It's an interesting one. Once you rebroke that, it's gonna be good. Lock in here, chat. Oh, no bottom wick. We need a bottom wick, gang. Gold, we need bottom wick. Can you rebroke one more time? Can we rebroke one more time here? At least you create like this, then start to move up. Goldie, can you rebroke? Once you rebroke the lows once again, I am gonna put the buy stop on the rebroke of the high. But if this candle drive, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, there you go. Ooh, didn't push. Look at that. It didn't push. It rebroke the high. There's no bottom wick. Bottom wick, we need bottom wick. Bottom wick, bottom wick. Hey. Bottom. Oh, that's nice. Bottom wick. Gonna be a good idea. Buy stop here on the rebroke. The current candle high rebroke. Okay, so yeah. Buy stop for me. Not execution buy. It's buy stop. Alright, gang. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop. Let's see if we're gonna move. If we move up, we rebroke the high, we might see volume. We might see push. Because that's gonna be, we rebroke here, didn't push through. Rebroke here, didn't push through. Now, how many rebroke you have? 5, 6 rebroke. Once you rebroke that, we might see push. Once you rebroke again, the current candle high, might see push here. Minimum towards here. Minimum 5145 or 5149, 5150. See, look at that. Rebroke, didn't push through. One more time, one more rebroke. You might see some push. All right, so yeah. And we can use this current candle stops. Probably 50 pip stops here. 48, 55 pip stops. Here, kind of, this is going to be an idea. Once we going to be activated, going to be like this. Gonna look like that. Let's see. Let's see. See, that's why I don't want to take buys here, on this kind of price action. That's why I don't want to take buys. We might see clap here. That's why I want to take buys on the top, on the rebroke. Because once you got activated here, price should move up. Otherwise, we might see price action here really choppy today. Because as you can see, the 15 are printing side by side. The advantage, that's why I want to take buys, because of this candle closure. Right? This is the plan, I write the plan, I'm gonna execute the plan. So it should be like this, right? And this body is bigger on the previous one. This body is bigger than previous one. So yeah, that's gonna be the idea. Let's see, 9 minutes for candle to close. If 9 minutes didn't activate, I might delete the buy stop and wait for the other setup. Do 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 do. Come on, gold. What you wanna do? Goldie, how you doing? How you feeling? All right. Can we activate here on price? Can we? Can we? I don't want to see fake out here. Too many fake out already. Too many fake out. We want to push. Too many fake out. Too many fake out. Give me a second, gang. Second. Mm. 6 minutes. We're closing below again. Goldie. We broke the lows. Holy. Goldie, Goldie. Gang, I'm gonna delete the buy stop here. It's not look good. We're gonna wait here for candle to close. Goldie wants to move down, so we can move down. 5 minutes for candle to close. Holy, too many fake out here. Look at that fake out. So we might feel the range. Probably we might feel the gap here today. 100, 200 pip gap. 200 pip. 1 minute and 40 seconds here. Goldie, too many fake out. All right. 47 seconds, my friends. We close below either two, right? We close below and no bottom wick. We might see no bottom wick. Gold, holy. Yeah. We might see some huge drop here once you rebroke that Arctic candle close. Ooh, Goldie. Yeah, it's overextend here, gang, already. Overextend candle, so I don't want to touch anything here in price. Damn, gold. Gold is playing today, gang. Gold is playing. How you doing? No FOMO, true that. Yeah, no FOMO. No FOMO. Give me a second here, gang. What that 5 minutes time frame? Give me a second. Nothing here. Nothing. Chat, nothing today. So yeah, I might call it stream here. So I'm gonna wait for price action here to move. Probably either down or move up. Because in the 15, if this 15 minutes candle close, you have probably a new support form here, right? And we probably gonna stack in a range here on price. You have resistance here. So we're gonna wait for the candle to close above probably, and it will take time, We probably take 1 to 2 hours more for the price to move like this. So yeah, probably gonna call it stream here and come back tomorrow, right? I'm gonna come back off stream later tonight on the NY session. Let's see if I'm gonna grab anything there. But tomorrow, chat, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? So yeah. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. See you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. W's all the way out here. W's all the way out. Peace.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive.